Welcome to our channel, where we explore the richness and depth of Islamic teachings. Today, we delve into one of the shortest yet profoundly meaningful chapters of the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Kawthar. Known for its spiritual depth and transformative power, Surah Al-Kawthar holds significant virtues that are thought to assist in wealth and sustenance. In just 3 potent verses, Surah Al-Kawthar encapsulates immense blessings and divine bounty. Revealed in Makkah, this surah was gifted to the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, in a time of distress, promising him an abundance that would flow eternally. It begins by declaring the giving of Al-Kawthar, a fountain of unceasing bounty believed to be both spiritual and material. Many believers hold that reciting Surah Al-Kawthar regularly invites prosperity and contentment into one's life. Today, we'll discuss a popular practice within the Islamic community, the 3-day Wazifa of Surah Al-Kawthar for wealth and sustenance. The 3-day Wazifa is a spiritual practice performed by reciting Surah Al-Kawthar with pure intentions while praying for increased provision. To perform the Wazifa, you should 1. Begin by performing ablution and ensuring a clean and quiet environment. 2. Offer 2 units of voluntary prayer, known as nafil. 3. Recite Surah Al-Kawthar abundantly, focused on its meaning and with sincerity in your supplications. 4. Conclude by praying for the fulfillment of your needs, be they financial or spiritual. This should be performed consistently for 3 days. Many have testified to experiencing enhanced blessings and improved circumstances, trusting that their needs were efficiently catered by divine grace. Beyond this, it's crucial to understand that the power of Surah Al-Kawthar extends beyond material gains. It calls to build a deeper, more personal connection with the Creator, reminding us of gratitude and devotion. We invite you to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. What have you found when engaging with Surah Al-Kawthar in your life? Please make sure to like this video, share it with those who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads, and journey with us into the heart of our faith. Include visuals of Quranic calligraphy, serene mosque images, and verdant landscapes to enhance the viewing experience and complement the narration. Thank you for watching, and may peace and blessings be upon you.